Did I hurt your feelings? If that's what you think? No, but you are wrong. Kinahiya ko na talaga siya. Kinahiya ko na talaga siya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Habs! Now he need to go down, honey. He won't jump. Habs, get down. Good morning, ducky duck duck. Good morning, ducky duck duck. Good morning, ducky duck duck. Walk, 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 walk. Roxys. They're eating. They're hungry too, hon. They're fighting, guys. They're fighting. Anyway, nag-download ako dito ng video. Good morning! Good morning po pala, guys. You see me wearing the yellow thing again. That means working outside. So, I'm going outside to work. So, nagda-download ako ng video. Upload. I know Tommy washed this shirt. That's why I just grabbed this from the dryer. Oh, is it? Okay, Tommy washed this. So, that's why I grabbed it from the dryer. And so, I'm not wearing stink. So, if I wear this one, it's working out. I did wash this.
Okay, I thought they were clean. They were folded on
Yeah.
and then I find them on the floor if you wanted to look.
Yeah, because it's when you use the washing machine, it's just shake everything.
I thought maybe you on the floor because they were dirty.
Kagabi. Hello po. Look. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga litos ko. Hinarvest ko to this morning. Nakikita nyo yan sa mukbang na ano ko. Na video. Ang dito, ang tinanim ko is itong flower. Lumaki na yung ano, oh. Zucchini. Kailangan itong palakihin and then transfer. Ito yung mga net na transfer ko kahapon. Lalaki yan. Bigyan natin silo. Spinach ko pala, guys. Lumalaki na siya, look. Ganito pala yung spinach, no? Iwan ko yung eggplant, no? Ang tagal niya matubo, no? Yun lang yung na-notice ko sa eggplant. Somebody's digging here. I think it's a dog. Kaluka itong aso ko talaga. Hala. Ang daming ants. Ang daming ants. Huy, huy. Huy, huwag kayong kakain. Kinain nila yung ano ko. Jesus, Ginoo ko, mga halmigas kayo, ha? Mga patay gutom kayo, ha? Kinain, oh. No, nasira, oh. Oh, nasira, oh. Ay, nako. May kumain na mga hinayupak. Kinain yung mga dahon. Look, ang dami nila, oh. Uy, Ginoo ko. I have to go to the store today to grab something for ants. Ano to? Sus, kakainin talaga to ba? Choy, lumaki siya. Ligdal lang yan. Dito. Tubigan ko to ngayon sila, guys, para naman mabuhay kayo. Yan, ang laki na, meron na tayong makain. Na excited ako sa strawberry. Lumaki. Kailangan ko nang bumuli ng yung matatransferan ito kasi ang laki na, oh. Zucchini. Hey,
Okay,
hey,
here's a station you
early.
might like.
Download
Ultimate Jazz on Amazon Music. Okay.
Dito tayo. Ito yung tinanim ko, oh. Buhay pa, oh. Hindi namamatay. And meron din dito. Ito, tinanim natin. Look. Yan, okay pa siya. Sana mabuhay yan. And then, meron dito. Kapag mabuhay ito, kunin ko ito siya. Putulin ko. Yan. So, yan. And ngayon, maglinis muna tayo. Wala pang dahon. Oh. Linis tayo. And then ito, kailangan ko itong ilagay. Be careful. Is this luck, honey? Si Tommy din nag-start siya sa tawag nito, yung lawnmower, i-change niya yung blade. So ngayon maglinis tayo dito kasi kailangan siyang dagdagan ng mulch kasi kulang na lang, nawala na yung mulch. Pero ayaw ko yung pulang mulch, gusto ko may siya, brown mulch. Ang daming sa yard ngayon, naglilinis Sunday, and then maganda yung panahon, mahangin pa. Okay, tapusin ko lang to dito guys ha, and then kapagod. Where is your daddy? Woohoo. Finally, I'm done for now, guys. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Balik tayo sa regular camera. Si Tommy is nagumagawa siya ng sandwich niya. Ako naman, I don't feel like eating, but I want to eat this. You know what? Last night after dinner, I eat half of this. Ensaymada, ang sarap, guys. You know what, guys? Babalik ako doon. Bibili ako ng maraming ensaymada. So, kapag ilagay niyo sa refrigerator, iinitin. Sorry, Han, just talk. Get away, I need something.
Get away, I need something.
Smart ass. So, anyway. Get away, I need that. Get away, bug.
Get away, I need something.
Guys, he's so dirty. He's a dirty guy. He's a dirty guy. So dirty. His back is a lot of shit going on in his back. But anyway, so half of this, kinain ko kagabi. So after dinner, Tommy is curious. Like, what the heck is she eating? What the heck is she eating? After dinner, she eats.
Curious.
You are very curious. You look at me so weird. You're so weird, one. You're a weirdo little boy. You're a big boy. He's a little boy. Big boy, dirty boy. So, initin nyo lang siya ng ilang minuto. I init this like mga 12 seconds.
I would get a knife to put the fork to put this on, but your mother's locking the drawer again. Yeah, it's too late now. Too late.
Sorry, hon. I told you
Can't
talk.
help herself.
I told you talk. He can't talk for some reason. And then he won't say anything else, and then he get pissed. For example, guys, he is doing something and he need help. He gets so mad because I don't help. Because he get used to it that every time he do something, I'm always watching and help him. If I don't help, he gets so pissed.
Yeah, sure, that's what that is.
Yes, you are.
I'm not gonna be able to eat without giving you something I like. I can see it in your face, kid.
He said, I want ham. What do you want? Why you give me turkey? Si Tommy sa labas. Nakikinig na naman ng music. Gustong-gusto ko talaga ito sila, guys. Alam nyo, babalik ako dun. Bibili ako ng ibang color. Kasi puro na lang ano nito nakuha ko. Okay guys, tapos na tayong maligo. So, ilabas ko na to. Mag-burger tayo. Kahapon sana itong burger. Hi guys, nagbihis ako guys kasi naginawan ako. I was cold yung the wind. Pinatay ko si Alexa kasi
We sand it down and paint it.
ang ingay. You did sand it down.
Yeah, otherwise it'd be like this. It'd be all lumpy.
It's not gonna be like
You have,
Kilda.
you have to wash the vegetables before you eat them. Like anything else. All stuff you buy in supermarkets is sprayed with pesticides.
So it's not organic anymore.
Even organic is sprayed with organic just means they're not putting chemicals into the ground to make the ground fertile again. Generally, if you grow a crop, you have to let the ground sit empty for a year because the ground they use up all nutrients in the ground, and we put artificial nutrients in it so that we can grow the crop every year. So that supposedly, if it's truly organic, they'll grow a crop, and then after they harvest that crop, nothing grows there for a year.
Why?
So the ground can get fertile again.
Ang pangit kasi niyan doon, oh. Ngayon okay na siya. Malinis na malinis. We need to open this. You need to open this. Because the smell is, the smell can get out. Nasayahan ako, tumitingin-tingin sa mga na pinaplant ko doon. May kausap na naman siya. Girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, Roxy. You're a good girl. Hi, Misty. You are a good girl too. The best baby. Almost 6 o'clock na. And so ngayon, nag-barbecue lang si Tommy doon sa labas. And then magsalad na naman kami, guys. Maganda kasi yung salad. I mean, you know. Si Tommy, pakanta-kanta na lang sa labas. Salad-salad lang tayo nito. Every night na lang talaga kami ni Tommy magsalad. Ang ganda kasi ng pakiramdam ng salad na magsasalad-salad ka lang. Yun, salad na tayo. Hindi ni Tommy lagyan ng carrots. Iwan ko. Ayaw ko rin ng carrots sa salad. Natawa ako kay Tommy. Kanta siya ng kanta. Nag-barbecue siya, kanta siya ng kanta. Kanta siya ng kanta. And then sabi ko, ay, grabe ka naman makakanta dyan. Sabi pa niya, are you embarrassed? Han, are you embarrassed? Naawa ako. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako na-embarrassed. Ang lakas ng music. Am I embarrassing you? I make embarrassed. And then natawa na lang ako sa kanya. Yun, nagluluto pa siya ng barbecue. Ako, gutom-gutom na ako. Can I bring this?
Yeah.
Tapos na Tommy. Tapos na yung barbecue niya. Barbecue? Burger. Yan. So yan, tapos. Honey, why you said I'm embarrassed?
Because I know you're embarrassed.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Honey, You're lying.
I'm not lying, I can tell.
No.
Okay.
I'm not embarrassed.
You're embarrassed because I like the music.
No, it's not.
It's embarrassing you. Yes, it is.
Oh my god. Did I hurt your feelings? If that's what you think? No, but you are wrong.
I'm not wrong. I can tell.
No, you are
Yours?
wrong. No, you are wrong.
I'm not wrong.
You are very wrong.
I'm not very wrong.
Can I touch
I'm
you?
very right.
Ay, I touch your
I know I'm very right.
Give me a kiss, babe.
We do. I know I embarrassed you.
No, hon. Can you just stop it?
I
No, I said I'm not embarrassed. The music is so fucking loud. That's all.
No, you were talking about my singing being too loud. Embarrassing.
No, I
Yes.
said no. Honey, honey, why are you making stories?
I'm making stories.
Why are you making stories? Honey. Why are you making stories?
Not stories.
The music is so loud. Low it down. You don't
I'm
understand.
very observant to what you say.
Honey, guys, nasasaktan yan. Hon, don't be
Yeah.
hurt. It's just
I'm
like...
not hurt.
No, you are, because you are making story
I'm
now.
not making stories. Truth is not a story.
No, that's not what I feel. You're like wrong. You see, I make something for you here. Honey, can you just use your hand?
Come on.
Put in the fork and then you use your honey. Why are you so funny? It's right there. It's right there.
Where?
Why is so funny? Come here, give me. I love you.
Yeah. Sure. Nah,
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Have your muffin. Don't overcook your muffin.
Akala talaga niya guys na kinahiya ko siya. Dahil sinabayan niya yung nagkaraoke ba? Sinabayan niya yung kanta na gusto niya. Sabi ko, hinaan mo. Sabi ko, akala niya hinaan yung boses niya. Yung music, ang lakas talaga. Naawa ako kasi akala talaga niya na kinahiya ko siya. Ayaw niya yung maniwala. Kinahiya ko na talaga siya. Where is he? You should go out there. That is out. Ang sa dami-dami kong pinapanood ng mga gardener kasi matuto tayo. And then the tomato. Yeah, yun yung ginawa ko. Yung iba, pinasok ko sa sa garage para hindi masira. Kasi, yun, ang tomato, yung dahon ng tomato, na siya, yung parang nag-yellow, na as in, ayaw nila yung ginaw. Kasi paggabi kasi dito, maginaw. And then, kasi hindi pa talaga siya totally yung summer na summer. So, sa kapapanood ko ng mga kung paano itanim. Ang dami ko kasing napanood na, yung mga gardener. Ang dami, guys. Alam nyo, guys, kung anong pinapanood ko yung mga, nag-research ako kung ano yung arugula, kung paano itanim ang carrots. Kasi meron akong carrots. Paano itanim yung ibang mga gulay, at saka paano mag-prune ng tomato, magpo-pruning, para hindi maraming mga ganun-ganun ba, bobot, sanga-sanga. Sa kakatingin ko ng mga gardener, mga yung palang talagang totoong gardener, yung mga malalaking garden sa backyard nila. So, marami silang nagsasuggest sila kapag naabutan kung maginaw pa rin yung gabi, ganun-ganon, or umabot ng frost. So, tabunan mo lang sila. It's already 8:30. So, manonood kami ng movie ni Mr. I don't know what my Mr. doing. What are you doing? So, I'm going to end the vlog early. Right, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for clicking the video.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. Manonood lang kami ng movie din. May parating na movie. Hintayin namin. What is that, Han? Snowpiercer.
Okay.
Yeah, yan siya. Snowpiercer. Panonoodin lang namin. Bye. See you tonight. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.